You probably tried a few tools or websites already on how to bot YouTube subscribers, only to find out they don't work.
Nope.
Well, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bot your YouTube subscribers step by step for a super cheap price. And more importantly, in a way that's fast, simple, and much safer than what most people are doing out there. Whether you're a new creator, a small business, or just someone trying to build an online presence quickly, this guide will walk you through everything. The best website to use, how to use it, and also share my experience using it. So grab a notepad and pay close attention, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bot your YouTube subscribers the smart way. First, go to the Nazop website using the link provided in the description. Sign up or log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you'll see your balance displayed at the top and several navigation tabs on the left side of the dashboard. This is the YouTube channel we'll be using for this tutorial. It currently has 0 subscribers. That's about to change. But first, before we place any orders, you'll need to add funds to your Nazop account. To do that, click on Deposit. Choose from several payment options, including card, crypto, bank transfer, and more. For this example, if you select crypto and entered $100, you'll receive an additional $9 bonus. After filling out your details and clicking Pay Securely, the funds will be added to your account instantly. After your account has been funded successfully, now click on New Order. Once there, you'll see various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more. Select YouTube, click on the drop-down. Several service options will appear. Scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see YouTube subscribers guaranteed best for growth. Then click on it. It includes a 1-month refill policy. That means if your subscribers drop, they'll be refilled within 30 days. Paste the link of a YouTube channel you want to purchase subscribers for into the link box. Enter the quantity in here. I will be buying 500 subscribers. The total cost came to around $6, which isn't expensive if you come to think of it. You can increase the quantity as needed. For example, 1,000 subscribers cost around $12. Click Order Now to complete the purchase. Within a couple hours, the subscribers began appearing on my YouTube channel. After some time, the order was fully delivered, and the YouTube channel is now up by 500 subscribers. If you want a chance to win free YouTube subscribers, comment "Done" down below. You might be one of the lucky winners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.